In this video, we will show you how to create a filter in Gmail inbox. If you have so many inbox on your Gmail and your inbox is random, you can consider to creating a filter. With the filter, you can skip the inbox and send them into specific label you created before. How to do that? For example, here, after you open your Gmail inbox like this, you can just click here. Okay, you can creating a filter so the inbox that has words contact or contact form or another, you can skip into the inbox and place them into the new label you created. For example, okay, has the words from our email. Okay, have a contact. It can be from, it can be text, subject, or another. Okay, you can fill in the has the words, or you can specific from the email address here. But in here, I'm just for general set has the word with the contact. So I will place any Gmail the inbox with contact words will skip into the inbox and go to the contacts label. Okay, now click create filter here. And as after that, we can click skip the inbox. Okay, then choose the apply the label. We can click new label here. For example, we can add new label with contact form. For example, this is from our website. Just click create. So any inbox with the words contact will send into the label contact form. Then click create filter. Okay, now our filter was created. Okay, let me show you here. We can have the label. Okay, you can see this is the contact form. If we refresh the label into the sidebar will change also. The sidebar will have the contact form. After the sidebar is appear the contact form label here. Let me send the email to this email address. Okay, I will send some email from my phone. Okay, for example, I will compose the email. Okay, I'm already send the message. Okay, from my smartphone. Let's reload this email address and click the contact form. Okay, you can see there is no inbox with here. You can see, and it's directly sent from this. Hey, this is contact form. So your inbox will save the important things. So is you can consider creating a filter like this. How to edit your filter? Okay, we will edit the filter into the next video, but in here let me show you how you can edit for a quick. You can just go to settings. You can click see all settings and select the filters and block addresses. You can see this is your filters. You can edit them to edit and you can delete them to delete. Let me show you this editing into the next video. Okay, if you have any question, you can fill in the forms comment below, and thanks for watching.